The first step in learning about animation is to know and understand the procedures involved in making animated film. Here are the basic steps of the traditional process. Storyboard. A storyboard serves as a script for the animated feature. It is made up of pictures and text that indicate how a scene looks like and which dialogues accompany each shot. Voice recording. Animation relies totally on perfect synchronization of the picture to the soundtrack. The sounds and speech are recorded for use in the feature. The step is sometimes done after animation with the voice actors using the feature itself as a guide to synchronize their speech with the animation. Story reel, also called animatic. It is a videotaped version of a storyboard which can be projected in synchronization with a final soundtrack. The most important decisions and revisions are made here since the next stages are tedious processes. Design. From the animatic, the artist starts creating the necessary models of each characters. Each character is drawn from a multiple of angles and becomes a reference for all animators for 2D animation. For 3D, figurines are made in order to serve as a guide on how the characters would look like when they are portrayed in action. Layout. It is synonymous with blocking in a live-action video. This is where the placements of characters and other objects are conceptualized with the different backgrounds in mind. Animation. The creation of a sequence is done here. This employs creative drawings that stimulate the movement of characters and objects. Background. It is responsible for everything behind or sometimes in front of the moving characters that do not move. This is often static and repetitive. Filming. The images created in the animation and background are traditionally painted on clear, thin plastic sheets called cells made of acetate. Nowadays, images are connected and sequenced using a computer, thus eliminating the use of cells, films, and cameras. Post-production. This is the final stage. The audio or voice recordings could be mastered or engineered with the film to create the full audiovisual feature. With this rundown, we see that the traditional animation process is tedious. In the next part, we would see how the traditional process differs from a computer-generated one.